Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So today we are back with another C++ video on this channel. Like in the previous video we have covered up a tutorial of C++ and I hope you enjoyed that. But in this video we are creating an amazing project using C++ and the project which we are creating in this video will be of contact book app. So this contact book application will be really good and I hope you'll be enjoying this amazing project which we are creating. It will be a really different project for you because in this contact book application I'll be adding some different things like you have not added in any project, because in this you will be getting the name of the user, like you can add your name, you can add your phone number, you can add your email address, and when you will see these contacts, so you will be getting all the contacts. So this video will be really helpful and I hope you're enjoying this amazing contact book app which I'll be creating. So if you understand this video and if you enjoy this amazing project which we are creating through C++, remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my future videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started. So now here we are on the computer screen and I've told you in start that today we are just creating an amazing project of contact book application in C++. So now let's get started with this amazing project here. So now what I'm going to do is I will be writing the starting code of C++, like you all know that in previous videos. We have also added the starting codes when we are creating project or a tutorial video in C++. So now here I'll be moving on to this C++ file and I'll be writing the starting code of include IOStream first. And after adding it, with that I'll be adding an include tag again, and with this include I'll be writing a vector here. So write like this vector, then make another include tag, and here I will be writing as a string because we will be using different strings in this project here. Then here I'll be writing algorithm as well so we can see what algorithm we are using here. So I will be now writing here construct contact like this, then I'll be moving down and here I'll be writing as std. So now what I'm going to do is I'll be writing here std string name, then with that I'll be writing std string phone, and here I'll be writing with that std, and then I will be writing as string email. Now after doing that I'll be just moving down and then I'll be writing here void add contact, and with this add contact I'll be writing std vector contact and contact so we can define these all things perfectly. Now I'll be moving down and here I will be writing a contact new contact like this here. Then after writing this I'll be just moving here and then I will be moving down after new contact which we have closed here. Then here after doing these things I will be now adding std count enter name, then new contact name here I will be writing, but here I'll be doing one thing is I'll be taking this C capital like we have do like here. Now here I will be writing enter phone number like this so user can write the phone number, then new contact phone like this. Then after this I will be adding a std count email address so user can add his email address as well to add it in his contact book, then new contact email. And after that I'll be writing contacts pushback new contact, and here I will be adding std count, and with that I will be adding a tag like contact edit. So here what I'm going to do is I'll be writing contact edit like this, then here I will be writing std. So here I will be writing like this std endl. Now we have ended the function successfully, so I'll be just moving down and I'll be creating a void display contents like this, or contacts you can say. Then here I will be just moving down and here I will be now creating a tag here, and the tag which I will be creating will be of like here I will be writing contact empty. So here what I'm going to do is I'll be writing if contact empty like this, or in the place of it you can also use for const like that. So I will be now moving here, then I'll be writing for const auto, then I'll be writing n contact, and here I will be writing contacts like this. Now here I will be just moving down and then I will be just moving down here as well, and here I will be creating a std count. So just I will be now creating a std count like this with name, then we will be writing contact number, then we will be also adding phone number with that. So here I will be writing contact name, then here you have to just write like this and then write here phone, and then write here contact dot phone like this, then here I will be adding this thing, and then I will be now adding like comma email. Then here I will be giving a space and write here contact.email. Then you have to write here std and l, like we have ended the function here. So now what I'm going to do is I'll be just moving down after this and l here. So you can just see we have done that. So I'll be moving down here. Then I will be writing void search contact like this, and now after doing that here I will be just moving, and then I'll be writing std string, and then here I will be writing search term, and now here you have to write std count, and then here I will be writing enter name to search, and then you have to now close it, and after doing that I'll be writing std sin, and then you have to now write like this search term. So you can just see we have written this search term here. Then write here bool found, and now here I'll be writing false. Then after doing it you have to close this function as well, and then you have to write here for const auto and contacts. So here you can just see we have done like this, and now I will be writing here like if contact.name, and then you have to write here search term. So here you can just see we have done that. Now after doing that I'll be moving down, right here std count email, and then here I'll be doing same thing by giving a space, then write here contact email std and l. Then you have to now just move down and write here found equal to true. Then you have to write a break statement, so we can break these statements from here, because now from down we'll be starting a new statement, and that is why we have break this statement here. So now I'll be writing if found like this, so you can just write here if found. Then here I will be now creating another std count here. So now the std count which I will be creating will be as contact not found here like this. Then here I will be just moving down after these two tag, and here I'll be creating a void delete contact, and here I'll be writing std vector. So here I will be now writing as std vector. Then I will be creating a contact like this, and I will be writing contacts here. Then here you have to just move down, and then you have to create another tag here in this curly bracket, which will be as a string term like this, or you can write here a string name to delete. So write like this name to delete. Then I will be writing std count like this, and then here I will be writing enter name of contact to delete like this. Then close it and give a space, close here as well. Then what I'm going to do is I'll be moving down, right here std send like this, and I'll be writing name to delete. And after doing that I will be closing it, and here I'll be writing auto it equal to contact like this, and then here I will be doing the same thing. Now I will be just moving down, and after this contacts I will be making this curly bracket, and I'll be returning the value. So the value which I will be returning first is return contact name, then I'll be writing equal to name to delete. And now you can just see we have done these all things. Now I will be just moving down here, and then after moving down I will be creating if. So here I will be closing it, and then here I will be writing if it contact end like this. Now here I will be creating another tag like this here, and now after doing it I will be just now adding here contacts, and in contacts I'll be writing dot erase. Then here I'll be writing it contacts, then here I will be writing dot end, and then open close bracket here. And now here I will be closing it, then write here std, and in std I will be writing as count, and write here contact deleted. So like this I'll be writing contact deleted. Then here you have to write std and l, so we can end this function. Now here I will be just moving down, and I will be creating a else here, and in else I will be writing std count contact not found like this, and then here I will be writing end l. And now here I will be just moving down after this else statement which we have covered up. So after moving down I will be now closing here a curly bracket as well, and then here I will be writing init main. So here I will be writing init main like this, then move down, and after moving down I will be just creating another function which will be as std vector contacts. Then I'll be writing init choice like this, then right here do. So here I will be writing do like this. And after writing this, I'll be just moving down and creating a curly bracket here again. Then I'll be writing std at contact. Then simply I'll be writing display contact, but after this I will be creating a \n before add contact here. Then I will be adding another third thing, which is search contact. Then the fourth I will be adding is delete contact, and the fifth I will be adding is exit, so user can exit this game as well or exit this contact book if he want to. Now I'll be just moving down again and I'll be now adding a sin choice here. Then you have to create a switch statement. So here I will be creating a switch choice, and now here I'll be writing case 1 break. Then I will be writing case 2 display contact. Then here I will be writing case 3, which is search contact, and then the fourth case is delete contact, and lastly the fifth case is to break the statement. So what I'm going to do is I will be just removing this all things here, and we will be only adding break here. So you can just see we have done. And now here I will be adding default, and now in default I will be writing here std count. So here I will be now adding here std. Then here I will be writing like this count, and here I will be writing invalid choice. So what I am writing is I'll be writing here invalid choice like this. Then I'll be writing this full stop, and here I will be writing std and l to end the function. So you can see we have ended the function by writing this std and l. Now here I will be writing while, and in while I will be writing choice, and in this choice I will be writing equal to 5 and closing this bracket. So you can just see we have done that, and now in the end we will be returning the value as 0. Now after doing these all things, just save this file and then you have to run it. After running, you can just see we are getting some error here. If I move at the top to check what error we are getting, is that we are defining this bracket, and this is after main, after struct. If I move at the top, so this is the struct, and here we have defined the bracket. So I think we don't have to do that because we have closed it, and that is why the tag is not working. So what I'm going to do is I'll be adding this close button to close it, run it again, and after running you can just see now we have getted this all things here. So what I'm going to do is first of all we have to add a contact here to see what contact we are getting is. So I will be adding the contact by pressing 1. So when I press 1 and press enter, you can see now it is asking to enter your name. So I will be entering my name like inshalbaig like this, press enter, and now it is asking me to enter your phone number with email address. So what I'm going to do is I'll be adding phone number here. You can add any of the number you want to add like this, and you can just see it is saying me that now your contact is being added. So what I'm going to do is I'll be now seeing that why we are getting our contact or not. So for displaying the contact we will be pressing 2. So I'll be pressing 2 now, and if I press enter, you can just see now we are getting here our name, then we are getting the phone number, we are getting email address, and all the things perfectly defined, but it is not aligned yet. You can align it if you want to. And if you want to delete contact, so you can press 4 here, and after pressing 4 here you have to give the name of the contact you want to delete. So I'll be adding my name to delete this contact here. So I'll be pressing enter, and now this contact will be deleted. You can just see it is showing me invalid choice because I think we have done it correctly or not. But if you want to, you can run it again to check you have done correctly or not. So we can run it again. We can add the contact here like this, and now here I'll be pressing enter. Then you can add the email address here @gmail.com, press enter. You can just see we have done that, press 2. Now you can just see we are getting the name, we are getting the phone number, we are getting the email address as well. Now if we want to delete contact, so you have to press here 4. So I'll be pressing 4 here, and now we have to give the name of the contact to delete. So I'll be pressing install, and you can just see the contact deleted. If I display again, you can see it is showing me nothing because we have added nothing else but this name, which has been deleted now because we have added here 4, and then we have given the name to delete the contact. So I hope you understand that how we have created this amazing contact book application from start. using C++. So if you have understand and if you enjoyed this project, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. So I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.